Hello beautiful people, Sylwia here and welcome to my WP Profiler review. So here I am on the sales page of WP Profiler. That's the newest launch by Matt Garrett. Okay, and this product has just gone live, well not just, yesterday on the 4th of May, and the launch, so that's the launch period from the 4th of May till the 10th of May. Midnight New York time. Okay, so in this review we'll check out the sales page. It is really amazing, the sales page, loving every bit of it. Okay, what I really like about it, that on the sales page you will find all of the honest, transparent info about the product. It's not hype, it just cuts straight to the point. Okay, and on the sales page they say, well, they ask you a question. Tired of writing post after post only to have Google ignore your blog? Well, why? Why? Because it's slow. That's the main reason, okay? But they say these 3 simple steps could instantly boost your WP blog, so WordPress blog speed by 500%, okay? And this, so basically, and this plugin, because it is a WordPress plugin, okay, so obviously you need a website to install this plugin onto your website in order for this plugin to speed up your website, to clean it up, to optimize everything so it can load quickly. And there is this data that apparently if the website doesn't load up within 3 seconds, people leave. Okay, most people leave. More than 50% of the visitors just leave, and most of them obviously never come back. So yeah, right, okay, and the plugin will look, I have installed it here, so let me show you. Let me open up if I can. Okay, just give me 1 second. All right, so the plugin will look like this. So it's like a downloadable file, obviously, okay, and then you've got all of the files you need to download, to install onto your WordPress website. Okay, I'll show you in fact, what I can love about this sales page, that is really all of the info you need here, because we've got the demo here. So check out this. The sales page, not the website, the sales page below my review, okay, and watch that demo. It's by Matt. It's about 9 minutes long, this demo here. So the first video you see on the sales page. Okay, and well, furthermore, they say is that obviously it's the faster the site is, the higher your site ranks, and then you get more traffic and also return visitors, okay, obviously. Now let me just show you what this plugin will look like on your WordPress website. Okay, so here you will have it. As you can see, with this plugin you can optimize the database, you can bulk optimize images, optimize and bulk optimize images. You can check the site health, you can do the site health check, and you can do the site speed check. Okay, now in the demo, okay, so on this sales page here, again I would send you to the demo, and in the demo Matt actually talks about this Pingdom website speed test. So yeah, there is this free speed test you can do on Google, and the important thing about doing the speed test for your website is that using a different browser to the one where your WordPress website is logged into. You know what I mean? So if you if your website is logged, if you logged into your website on, say, Google Chrome or Microsoft, Microsoft Edge, right? Then try and use a different browser to do the speed test, like Firefox or some, stuff like that. Let me just show you, as I was kind of playing around with this Pingdom website speed test, and I was checking, for example, ClickBank, how fast it loads up, and I've done the test on ClickBank, for example, and here this test is just gonna take a few seconds, and it's gonna show you all of the information to do with the website, okay, how well it is doing. As you can see, for example, clickbank.com loads in under 3 seconds, so 2.45, which is okay, which is good. But the general performance grade is 64, so it could be improved, because I think I was also checking, what was it? Amazon, probably. Okay, and as I was checking Amazon, the score was quite obviously impressive. So let's see how it does. And then I check other websites, and the obviously less popular ones, and they were loading up in 6, 7, 8 seconds. So that's way too long for most people to wait for. Okay, so the Amazon was, you see that it's better. It's 74. The performance great. And the load time is also like 2.48. So something under 3 seconds is good. So now going back to the sales page, it's a must to watch this demo, because nobody can explain the product better than the vendor. Okay, I do not have a WordPress website, so I'm not going to fool around and try and appear as some kind of like top expert here. What I can say is I can really recommend this vendor, Matt Garrett, and his products are phenomenal. I mean, I have, tested and also reviewed many of his previous products, so I'm always happy with the quality of it, and the support is phenomenal. Matt is very, very responsive. Okay, you reach out to him, you get the reply. So that's great. That's very important. All right, so watch this demo. It's a must. The link to this sales page is below my review. Now on the sales page, we'll go through the prices, and here they say if obviously with this plugin you can boost your WordPress site today. Okay, if you buy it, it's 30 days money back guarantee. And if you need to work for your client's sites, if you want to, for example, offer the service to optimize your client's websites, you can do so as well if you pick up the full agency license, because there will be three options on the front end, and I've got the funnel here for you. Okay, so just a few upsells, not too expensive, so I'll explain the upsells later. And now, the fact is why do you need better speed for your website? Obvious reasons. And as I mentioned before, 50% of the visitors will instantly leave a site that takes more than 3 seconds to load, and apparently 79% of them will never come back. So you see, there you go. And Google knows this very, very well, and they will penalize your slow loading site. So your ranking is going to drop big time. So why? Because Google wants to provide the best search experience for the users, and that means pushing slow sites down the ranks. Duh. Well, that is a fact. Okay. So check out the rest of the website. You really install it in 3 easy steps. So, it works in 3 easy steps. So you first install, and then profile your blog. So that means simply run WP Profiler, and you will get a detailed report quickly showing you all potential issues currently slowing down your blog. And this plugin has the potential to sort out most of them. If not, you will have the data of what needs to be done to sort it out. Okay. And then, it gives you this one-click diagnostics, okay, recommendations, and auto fixes as well. So again, the report will show you how to fix all of the issues, and most of them can be done automatically. That means you need zero experience programming or technical skills to speed up your blog today, they say. Okay. And you see, this is going to be that's going to look like this. The speed, that's for the site speed. That's the site speed timeline. So it's graphical, okay, in a graphical form. So you have it all clearly laid out, what the issues are, what is slowing down your website, this and that. Okay, and there's another test. This is for something else. The global connectivity status and site configuration issues. Alright, so let's check out the prices. Okay, so you have 3 options here: single site license, 25 site license, and agency license, and here are respectively the prices for the single one: 17, 27 for the 25. Okay, websites for your websites, not your clients' websites. If you want the agency for your clients, you need to pick up the one for 97, which is agency. Okay, and hold on, and further down the the sales page, you will have frequently asked questions. So all of the most important questions are answered there. Now here's the funnel, guys. So again, the front end is either 70, 27 or 97, depending on how many sites and whether you want the plugin for your own sites or your client sites. And then we have OTO number 1 is the WP Smart Links for 27. OTO number 2 is Smart Links add-on for 17. OTO number 3 is WP Traffic Guard for 22, and and again, last but not least, I guess it is the last one, last but not least, whatever that means sometimes, I think. Anyhow, number 4, upsell number 4 is Traffic Guard Pro for $17, guys. Okay, so pick whatever license you need and then think about what upsells you could potentially use for your own business. So yeah, take what you want, leave what you don't want. Once you have bought the product, you will be presented with the upsells, so go through them and, you know, just buy whatever you need for your business. Right, so this sales page will be right below my review. Go check it out, and watching the demo is a must. Totally watch the demo before purchasing. Don't buy unless you've watched the demo. That's gonna be my advice here. And now what I will do, I will play this video here by Matt Garrett. Okay, he shows you how to install the plugin. So again, the demo you have on the on the sales page. Okay, all explained clearly. Now how to install it, I'll play for you now, and I'm gonna say bye for now. This is just 2 minutes, so watch how you would install it. I mean, most people know how to install a plugin on the WordPress website. If you're not familiar with it somehow, if you're new to a WordPress website and stuff, then watch this tutorial here. Okay, love you and leave you guys. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.
In this video, we're going to have a quick look at how to install the WP Profiler plugin, or indeed any other plugin from WP Toolkit or WP Optimization Suite is installed in the same manner. Having downloaded the plugin and stored it locally on your computer, you log into your WordPress admin dashboard on the site that you want to install the plugin to. Under the plugins menu, you find the option for Add New, which will bring you to the page you see now. Then simply click on the Upload Plugin button here, then click on the Browse button and browse to where you stored the file on your local computer. The file is called wpprofiler.zip, so click on it, choose Open. That will then allow you to click on the Install Now button and start the installation process for your site. Once the installation process has finished successfully, you should actually get a message saying plugin installed successfully. Then you can simply go ahead and click on the Activate Plugin button. Once the plugin is activated, you'll get a message saying plugin activated, and there'll be a message saying WP Optimizer is unlicensed. To license your plugin, simply scroll down the admin menu until you find WP Toolkit Profiler, click on that link, and it will bring up the option to put in your license key. Finding your license key will depend on which shopping cart system you purchased your plugin through. If your purchase was through JVZoo, then you can find your license through the JVZoo customer portal here and just search for the plugin name. If your purchase was through Warrior Plus, then it will be on your download page, which you can access through the purchase history page on Warrior here. Again, look for the plugin name. If your purchase was through ClickBank, then your license key will be found on the download page, which you can find through the download link in the receipt for order email that you received after you bought. This is also true for Thrivecart. If you purchase through Thrivecart, you will receive an email with a link to the download page where you can access your license key. Once you have your license key, simply paste it into the license key field here and click on Save Changes to register your license. Once the license has registered correctly, you'll get a message here saying license status completed. You can also see our support desk URL here in case you have any problems. Please feel free to get in touch with any questions you have or if you need any further help. Thank you very much for watching this video.